This solar-powered camper trailer pops up in under 10 minutes. It's fully equipped with essential appliances for cooking, refrigerating, showering, climate control, and sleeping at remote locations or campsites. Being streamlined and lightweight, the GoSun Camp 365 can be towed with virtually any car, including electric vehicles. If you want to stay updated on the latest in the world of startups, innovation, and technology, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. GoSun mentions that the camper is made without wood or canvas, so there is no rust, mold, or rot. The canopy is made with marine-grade Aqualon that can resist everything the elements throw at it. At just 4 feet wide, you can store it in the garage. While closed up, you can still access the off-grid system for cooking, refrigeration, and charging your electronics. With 100 square feet of customizable space, you can have a studio, guest room, office, or cabin to fit your needs. If you are struggling to find space in limited campgrounds just to stay hooked up, GoSun Camp 365 can offer the perfect solution. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share the video. Let us know your thoughts on the video in the comments section below.